LinkedIn wants to keep eyeballs on their platform. They want to keep people liking and commenting. Why? Because if you like and comment, you're going to stay on the platform. And you stay on the platform, you're going to increase their valuation. You're going to increase the use of their platform. They don't want you to leave. So when LinkedIn sees hashtags that are trending, they're like, okay, the algorithm basically says, okay, robots, where's the other posts that are talking about this hashtag? And let's give these posts the highest chance of success, because we think that there's a chance people will like and share that post, and that keeps people coming back.
As an insurance or financial advisor, going viral might seem like an impossible feat, but it's really not as difficult as it may seem. Once you've figured out the LinkedIn algorithm, which is a strategy proven to work in 2020, then all it is really just fine-tuning your approach to make sure that you're sending the right message to the right people at the right time. I'm Alina Nazari with the Advisorist team, and I want to take you guys with me on a sneak peek of a recent live training held by 23-time award-winning financial marketer Jeremiah Demaray for hundreds of leading insurance and financial advisors just like you. In this live training, which is part of his financial services marketing plan, he shows us 2 posts that have gone viral in our niche. He breaks down the exact strategies proven to work in 2020 and shows us the precise steps taken and how you can do the same. Let's take a peek together.
The posts in our industry are terrible, okay? Like so boring. So technical, so full of hyper babble insurance gobbledygook that nobody cares, nobody pays attention. We're our own worst enemy when it comes to LinkedIn. But I'm happy to say that the tide is changing. And I'm going to be honest here, I don't really think it's your guys' fault. A lot of you are so hammered by compliance that you're scared to do anything. And I get that. You know, I've been there myself. So I'm going to share with you, this first one was posted by somebody at Schwab. And then the next one is posted by somebody at LPL. 2 groups who are definitely watching everything you do. But I specifically chose their examples because not only did they use overall best practices on LinkedIn, but they had very high engagement rates. This one right here had 205 likes and 38 comments. And this one over here had 43 likes and 35 comments. Each one of them did some things that are very cool, but different. So let's take a couple of lessons off of this one. So off of this post right away, what catches your eye right away? Tell me in the question box, guys, what do you see right off the bat that kind of catches your eye? Yeah, exactly right. Tim, Elizabeth, Carrie, Bernadette. Yeah, this home office, right? Now, is this a stock photo? Is that one of those stock photos, like with the Viagra couple walking on the beach talking about and thinking about retirement? Or is that like one of those stock photos where it's got that salt and pepper guy who's like, hey, I'm in a coffee shop. I'm looking at my laptop because my stocks are up. Yeah, don't think so, right? This woman took her own she took her own picture, right? And she posted it. Heaven forbid you guys would actually put something that is human there, right? Heavens to Betsy as I spill warm milk all over my moo-moo. Like, how shocking would that be if you were actually able to post something personal? And look, everything's super cool here. So we're going to put no stock photos, okay? That's bad. People do not want to see stock photos. They want to see behind the scenes. The other thing is this is a little bit voyeuristic. Do you notice that? In a clean and very, PG friendly way, right? Or there's nothing wrong with this. It's people get to see behind the scenes. So there's a technique you can use. Show them behind the scenes. Now, what she did is she started off with something that we preach big time at Advisorist is gratitude, feeling very fortunate. For many big reasons, from a work from home. So there's another really big takeaway there is people are very in tuned to gratitude today or the lack of it. So think about that. Clients and colleagues, their ability to adapt. See, it's not about her. She's cheering others. So that's another technique, support others. And you're going to see when we go in the whirlwind of ideas how that works really well. The ability to work safely from home, make my top 10 little victories that brought me a lot of joy. That's the key right there. What you're seeing right here is what we call in content marketing. Well, I'm getting a little messy here. Let's make that a little darker. These are called, when you see like a top 10 list or something like that, that's called a listicle. Okay, like a popsicle, but a listicle. And typically the number 10 or 12 works really well. Top 10, top 12, right? From the days of Johnny Carson. Next one. Number 1, I control the heat. That's pretty funny, right? Number 2, it's bring your dog to work every day. So guess what? There are more dog lovers on LinkedIn and actually in the world than there are cat lovers. Cat lovers, we still love you. You know that, right? But just there's more dog lovers. So tapping into dogs will actually be a better connector than cats because less people. But hey, if you are that crazy cat lady or cat dude, you tell them, hey, for all the dog lovers, I got your cat picture right here. Okay? Be that person because you're going to attract, guess what? People who like cats, right? Different perspective, down the street, candles are allowed. My favorite mug is always available, so on and so forth, right? Due to time, I'm not going to break these down, but if you're part of Advisorist Max, we're going to have these as their own GIFs. JPEGs you can download, plus they'll be in the mind maps. But I just wanted to show you guys, those are some of those techniques that worked really well. So again, don't use stock photos, support others, cheer each others, show gratitude, use the listicles, and then share a little bit of your personality. That's what she did here. Now we're going to go on to this one here. Now this one's different. This one didn't have a picture, but what do you notice that catches your eye about this post that the other post did not use but could have? Yeah, Carrie's on the ball right there. Emojis. Do you see all the emojis that this guy used here? Let's use a little bit thinner pen here. So he used the money emoji, the paper emoji, the calendar emoji, the pray emoji, thumbs up, a laptop, and a bank. I mean, look at all those amazing emojis. And you guys on my email list, you know that I love emojis, right? Because they work. They literally, the brain processes them as human faces if it's a face. So there's a quick takeaway from that one. You know, you want to use emojis. Okay, why is that? It kind of makes it easy to read, right? It breaks up the text. What's another thing that this guy's doing that the other one did not? Guys, pick on that. Yeah, very good. Shamim, hashtags. Look at this. Paycheck Protection Program. COVID-19 was a top hashtag at that time. And look at these ones down here. Small business, CARES Act, personal finance, and financial literacy. So how many hashtags do we have here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 hashtags. Now be sure, so we'll just put that there, right? Be sure that they're trending. And I'm going to give you guys, especially Advisorist Max members, I'm going to give you a whole list of the top, I think there's about 30 of them that I've researched that are the top trending hashtags today. I gave you number 2 today. Working from home is a top hashtag right now on LinkedIn. So you post anything about working from home, make sure you put that in there, okay? Because that's LinkedIn is looking for that content and here's the reason why. So if you guys want to know why hashtags are important, LinkedIn wants to keep eyeballs on their platform. They want to keep people liking and commenting. Why? Because if you like and comment, you're going to stay on the platform. And you stay on the platform, you're going to increase their valuation. You're going to increase the use of their platform. They don't want you to leave. So when LinkedIn sees hashtags that are trending, they're like, okay, the algorithm basically says, okay, robots, where's the other posts that are talking about this hashtag? And let's give these posts the highest chance of success because we think that there's a chance people will like and share that post and that keeps people coming back. Okay. Because what happens if you guys ever posted something and then somebody comments on it and then you get the email from LinkedIn, somebody commented on your thing. What are you going to do right then and there? You stop whatever you're doing. I don't care what you're doing. And you're like, who said something, right? Because there's always that fear they said something bad. But LinkedIn is not really like that. People are usually pretty chill and pretty nice on LinkedIn. Um, so I wanted to show you two great examples of model posts that you can use. Notice how one looks completely different from the other. So there's no like number one template. You have to take a look at things and you're going to test. And by the way, you're going to do some of these, they're going to completely fail. And that's good for you. Okay. I want to know, what did you fail at next week when you come on? At least you tried. And what's going to happen is as you go through this, you're going to end up finding your voice and you're going to see what the people on your connections actually resonate with.
Alina here. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick in-depth probe of a couple LinkedIn posts that went viral. Let me know in the comments below what your greatest aha moment was from Jeremiah's training. Also, if you would like more insightful strategies proven to work in 2020 as part of our tactical financial services marketing plan, then I'd like to personally invite you to our completely free virtual advisor power hour led by award-winning marketer Jeremiah Demaray every single week. These completely free and live trainings are held on Wednesday evenings each week and are completely free for hundreds of insurance and financial advisors just like you. I'll go ahead and post that link in the description below. All you have to do is just click on the link for it to be added to your calendar. Plus, if you'd like to find out how some advisors have gone from booking 5 meetings a month to 19 or more meetings every single month, that's $239,000 in commission in their pipeline, then I highly encourage you to book a LinkedIn marketing strategy call with one of our consultants. Our team of expertise will show you how to completely pivot to virtual meetings, meaning that you'll be able to book more meetings with less wasted time and energy. So I'll post both of those links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.